So hey everyone, in this video we are going to explore what is Bython and how it is different from a regular Python code. So first let's see what is Bython. Bython is actually a Python library that allow you to write Python code using curly braces instead of relying on indentation for defining code blocks. It's not a new programming language but rather a way to make Python code more look like languages such as JavaScript, C, Java. So when you write your code using Bython, the library translates those curly braces into an appropriate indentation behind the scene, allowing the code to be executed just like any regular Python code. The best part is it's still pure Python, just with a different visual style. So let's take an example so that you can see how Bython actually looks like. You just need to install Bython library. First we will see a simple Python function that checks if a number is even or odd. In regular Python, it will look like this. To use curly braces in your regular Python code, you just need to create a file with .by extension and then you can write your Python code with curly braces. So let's take an example. So first we are going to define a function and then instead of colon, we are going to open curly braces here, and inside these curly braces we will write our further code. So this is a simple logic where we will check if the number is even or odd. So here we are using braces instead of indentation, so you don't need to worry about indentation. So now you just need to run your file with Bython and then you can see we get the output without any syntax error. So let's take another example that involves loops and conditionals, which will really highlight the difference. So this is the regular Python code example which will give you the scale of numbers. This is a classic Python approach using indentation to define the blocks, but with Bython it looks like this. So here every blocks, whether it's a loop or an if-else statement, it is enclosed in curly braces. The code logic is same, but the structure feels more like what you have seen in languages like C or Java. If you found this video interesting or if you are thinking about trying Python out, let me know in the comment below, and of course, if you want to build up your Python skills, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.